All right, guys. First up, we're doing our first 2020 Leaf Best of Sports. This is a brand new product, just came out. I grabbed a couple boxes of this. So you've got one buyback card and some major names. You've got a 2003 Topps Chrome PSA 10 LeBron rookie card. You've got the 2018 Prism Silver Luka Doncic PSA 10. You've got I don't think is Jordan in this one. There's a bunch of huge hits. So chance to pull some great things. So should be a lot of fun. So this is a random last name letter break. So every spot's going to give you 2 random last name letters. So 10 spots altogether in this. I've got Caleb with 2 spots. Arturo's got 2. Stephen K with 1. Brett S with 1. Barry C has got 2. And then Matt C picked up the last 2 spots. So what we'll do first is go ahead and randomize the last name letters. And don't forget, we will go ahead. We got the silver pack that we'll do if you don't pull the hit. So we'll randomize this 5 times. All right, here we go. So we'll randomize this 5 times as well and match them up. All right, here we go. So Arturo, you've got last name letters P, D, M, and F. Barry's got S, L, N, and W. Brett, you've got G and J. Caleb's got E, B, R, and T. Matt with Y, A, H, and K. And then Steven, you've got V and C. All right, so there you go. Dude, you got the D, man. That's Luka Doncic right there. That's a big hit. I think Ronald Acuna, Bowman First Chrome Auto is in this as well. All right, let's hit one of the big ones. They've already jacked the price up like $30 a box on this since I bought some. So I've got one more of these that we'll do next weekend. All right, here we go. First up, we've got Leaf Best of Sports Stars. This is the base card, Julio Rodriguez. If I can get that to. So the green parallel, which is numbered to 75. So R on that will be Caleb. John, you should have got a few minutes, man. Enjoy it with the ladies. All right. And then we're going hockey. How about an 85 Topps? Mario Lemieux. PSA 8. I don't know if that's his rookie or his second year. If it's his rookie, that's a pretty nice hit. So last name L on that, that's going to be Barry. All right, so Barry, you got that one, man. So not bad. Somebody look that up on eBay. Tell me what that one's going for. Hopefully that's a nice hit. So we'll get those cards in the mail tomorrow. And we got another of these coming up next weekend.